Hi guys, Piotr Eternal here. Today, a really quick one about sidechaining your kick and bass. This is probably the most fundamental technique in your producer skills that you gotta have. Before I did some quite complex video on the complex sidechaining using TDR Nova. Today I wanna do something simple and quick for sidechaining kick and bass. Sidechain is this, and I love that meme forever. It shows really well what happens. So I have this kick going on here, simple kick, now a 9, 4-4, down to floor kick, nothing crazy. Then I have this simple bass line I wrote in Serum, and together they play like that. The groove is already here, but as you can hear that the bass is playing over the kick and the kick is not coming through the bass. What you want to do, and I can show you this on audio. If you record those two channels, this is our bass, this is our kick, this is our bass. What happens here is that the kick is playing and the bass is coming into the kick. The bass is still playing, the kick is coming in, and they are still kind of the same loud. What we want to do is you want to go for a sidechain, look for it in your toolbar, Ableton toolbar. You choose Glue Sidechain EQ, you put it on the bass channel, you go here, you go for sidechain, you choose audio input from your kick, you change here the EQ for this side, you go a little down with a threshold, and now you can hear the kick way more. Without it, with the kick is coming through. If we record this again with the sidechain on, here you can see that this one here, the part of the bass, while the kick is playing, is dagged down. This is what we wanted. This is the most simple way of sidechaining your kick and bass. You can do it for 1,000 different ways, way more complex. But this is the basic sidechaining technique. Please use it. It will accelerate your production levels a lot. You can sidechain not only bass line, but you can sidechain any chord progression or pads or instruments, so the kick can be more present and coming through your mix. Okay, if we wouldn't do that, the previous recording showed us the bass is playing over the kick, and if the phase is wrong, or even if the phase is the same, it can cause a massive problems in your mixdown later on. So it can sound quite okay on your headphones or on your studio monitors, but if you play it on the club speakers or a huge sound system on festivals, it will be a mess. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the videos I make, and follow me on Instagram. I also do a 101 classes for producers. If you would like to elevate your sound and finish more tracks and get your music career on the higher level, please write me a DM on Instagram. And till the next video.